Nissan's good old Pathfinder came out way back in 1985 as a rough and tumble two-door. This is not that Pathfinder. Today's Nissan Pathfinder is one of the more accommodating and family-friendly haulers on the market, and it's now big on safety, with standard forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking, plus a bevy of other active and passive safety features that include a 360-degree parking monitor with moving object detection, a backup camera, navigation, voice recognition, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. Also standard is Nissan's new rear seat alert that reminds you of any forgotten valuables in back when leaving the vehicle, whether they're packages, pets, or, oh God forbid, children. All 2018 Pathfinders come standard with Nissan's well-proven 3.5-liter V6, which manages the best fuel economy among six-cylinder competitors. The Pathfinder is also outfitted with a rotating selector that Nissan calls i4x4 that lets you choose between two-wheel drive, auto, and lock, the latter for getting out of deep snow, mud, sand, or other slippery situations. Sadly, the current Pathfinder is no longer a true off-road SUV, having left its rough-and-tumble capabilities in the past. It does, however, mean that today's Pathfinder is more capable of comfortable city and highway cruising. When it comes to comfort, the Pathfinder has it in spades. It's available with LED low-beam projector headlights, a power-adjustable tilt and telescopic steering column with memory and heated steering wheel, climate-controlled front seats, heated second-row seats, a great-sounding 13-speaker premium audio with Bose acoustic waveguide technology, and even a power dual-pane panoramic sunroof. You can also get adaptive cruise control, 120-volt household-style AC power outlet for tailgating, a 10-way powered driver's seat with 2-way powered lumbar and memory, a 4-way powered front passenger seat, a motion gesture activated power liftgate with position memory, and more. Throw in the Pathfinder's mobile entertainment system package that features tri-zone rear DVD entertainment with dual 7-inch monitors integrated into the backside of the front headrests, a remote, 2 wireless headphones, and rear auxiliary audio-video input jacks, and you've got an SUV that'll keep the kids entertained and your sanity intact on those long trips. As for the cargo capacity, well, the Pathfinder offers up more rear load space than many of its rivals at 16 cubic feet with all the seats up. If you drop the rearmost 50-50 split seat back, you'll have 42 cubic feet available, along with a relatively flat load floor. Better yet, lowering the 60-40 split second row results in 79 cubic feet of maximum gear toting capabilities, making the Pathfinder ideal for the most active of lifestyles. In the end, the 2018 Pathfinder remains one of the better mid-size 3-row family haulers on the market. With attractive styling, great all-around functionality, good straight-line performance, decent handling, impressive fuel economy, and more top-tier features than most will need. Maybe it's not the 4x4 of the past, but it certainly is one for the future.